I think that's the question we asked ourselves when we started this project.
The idea emerged when Edward Pogue, a biologist and professor at Greenbridge University, fell ill. Despite being only 49, his body was consumed by LS amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a young soul trapped in a useless body. Dr. Edward understood the world like no one else. He had dedicated his life to studying the behavior of metazoans. Based on his research, we developed the first stage of the substance, which we named Kafka. The substance contains a compound that, in its complexity, is a metamorphic discharge. Inspired by insect processes, we expanded the capacity for transformations to DNA levels, a complete model transmutation through genes. Test animals, like rats, performed well in initial tests.
We placed DNA samples in a capsule and gave it to Rat 1 White. After consumption, we applied the substance and waited for the sample to take effect. In a few hours, Rat 1 became like Rat 2 Gray.
The metamorphosis process involves 3 stages. The last stage can be painful. The transformation may present various anomalies depending on genetic differences between donor and recipient. We expanded tests to animals of different species, and even more severe and lethal effects occurred. In the end, we found that the substance can only be applied to members of the same species and gender. That's when the idea of twins emerged. Danny and Jean are non-identical twin sisters. They were the first human test subjects for the substance, and the result was terrifying. They became the same person.
This will change science. It touches on ideas of consciousness and identity, something philosophical. We can't let it fall into the wrong hands.
Name your price.
This is a violation of conduct. As a man of science, I refuse to attribute my research to such end.
Thank you for serving your beloved city, Dr. Pogue. The governor is grateful.